And no, I'm not looking where the camera's looking. I'm watching the road in front of me.
I imagine the Indians used to live the heck out of this up here.
I would guess this would be their summertime range up there, up through here.
Yeah.
Steve talking to this guy in the car. So you know if this guy in the car can make it up here, as rough as it looked for us, you should be able to make it up here. There was a couple guys on motorcycles in front of us for a while. I'm not sure which way they went though. That's one of those vault toilets they got up here. I think there's two of them.
Yeah, he said that most of the campers have gone away, and you know, with the fire from 2 years ago, and that there's probably one or two places, but you can camp anywhere up here on the meadow.
Yeah, that's what I was reading. That looks like a little cabin. Okay, it looks like a homemade camper. Water here somewhere. You sure you want to keep going? Yes. Okay, folks. Sorry I didn't film that mess, but we got into an area where we couldn't go any further. Couldn't get turned around with the trailers attached. Just having a hard time backing this little itty bitty trailer out. I'm better with larger trailers. So I disconnected my trailer, spun it around, got out, backed up, reconnected, and pulled out, and Steve was able to back his trailer down far enough where he could get it off and into an area. And so we'll be back. Okay, folks, we got one picked out, and honestly, anywhere up here you're going to have good views, but you're also going to have wind. So that's not going to bother me because I sleep in the back of my truck. Steve's setting up a tent. So he's trying to find a spot that's not going to kill him when it comes to his tent. And I told him that's probably not going to happen up here. So, and like the rules say, you can camp anywhere up here as long as you're within 150 feet of the road. That's 50 yards, if you don't understand that. Football field is 300 feet or 100 yards, so see what he's doing. There was actually somebody camped right here, I thought, when we pulled in. Yeah, no, here he is over here. Yeah, there's somebody down there on the right-hand side camp. Really? This place? Where's that other one? Really? Okay, I'm gonna camp over there. He must be driving around too, so okay. God damn it. Okay, I think I picked a spot. I'm going to stay right here. It's the levelest spot out here, and it's got the best view, I think. So we'll bring y'all back in a bit. Folks, this is the downhill side of our campsite. Not sure if we got to worry about anything coming up from this side, although I never put it past anything other than, you know, I just can't see anything coming up through here like this. So good place to sit and kind of watch for wildlife though. Let's zoom in a little bit. Y'all see any bears out there? Not sure if you'd be able to see them. That's quite a ways off. Taking this video with my Samsung 23, so I like this better than I do the video camera I have. So it's way out yonder. Just a flat spot over there. Really windy up here, folks. So if you're looking for a good place to go camping, and if you watch my video, you'll see there was a little itty bitty car up here, but it's a long road to get up here and you'll have to drive slow. But it is a beautiful place to camp, and there's not a lot of people up here. Right now there's 2 other campers up here besides us, and there's probably room for 50 or 60. So, and they do have 2 vault toilets. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this down for now, and we will see y'all in the morning, or maybe for sunset.